The face frame joiner is just like that on the lower cabinet, only there aren't as many pieces. Drill pocket holes in the rails and screw them to the stiles. Then, as before, I use the face frame to find the final length of the center stile that creates the two door openings. Then the center stile is pocket screwed in the center of the frame. Okay, so we've got our upper case assembled and we've got our face frame completed. So it's time to glue those two together. I'm going to start by applying a thin bead of glue on the edge all the way around. We're centering it side to side. If you want, you can use a little ruler or tri-square or something like that, but it's pretty easy to eyeball that. So I've got my ends flush down here. Looks like they're pretty flush up there too, which is a good sign. And I'm going to start by clamping this end first. It's flush, keeps my overhang straight. Okay, with that in place, we can now move on to attaching the doors for this unit.